So this morning we are going to walk to the train station down these little laneways. Just from where our house is, it's not that far.
What's that?
I think we turn this way, yeah?
This way, guys.
I think it's this way. And just down this street, a beautiful blossoming cherry blossom. Just like in someone's backyard. It's really pretty. So yes, all those back streets are leading us to the Omiya station, which is 2 stops away from Gion, which is old town of Kyoto, or the geisha or the geiko. In Kyoto they were called geiko, not geisha. That's where they used to reside. That was the area it used to be. So we're going to go check that out now.
終点です。出口は左側です。
We have just literally come across the road and found this free walking tour, which we're just going to attach ourselves to. I think it's only just started, and it's starting right at this point here.
Very hurry, also very quick steps on the way to work. We usually work in the tea houses. When you see tea houses like this though, they're not all as easy to get inside because you need an invitation for most of them. This one though is even stricter. You actually need to be invited, but you also need to have, how can I say, you also need to be a little bit like, alright, I think I might come back here. But the problem is that this is one of the most expensive tea houses in this neighborhood. How much do you think it would cost like in a normal tea house? Just for an idea of how expensive this could be. Anyone got an idea of prices? Yeah?
2,000 yen.
2,000 yen. Yeah, for 2,000 yen maybe you can head into the theater here in the corner. Yeah, that might work. And other suggestions? Can we have a little bit more? Let's speed up from 2,000 yen. 100,000 yen? Well, yeah, you will get a really good party for that. You will get that. You get a really good party for that. Most smaller tea houses, actually, if you're a group of 4, 5, 6 people, it could actually cost up to that if you put it together, the price. But you know, this place is out of the world. This is gonna make your whole day way better. You know, this is gonna be the experience of a lifetime. It's gonna cost a little bit more too. So let's go from 100,000 Japanese yen. How much do you think? Yeah. Come on, give it to me. How much? 300,000 Japanese yen. Is that your final bid, sir? Yeah. All right. Can I have a little bit more?
500.
500,000 Japanese yen. We're getting closer now.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yes, add a little bit more. How much? That was too much. No, but it was 600,000 Japanese yen.
Oh.
That was that in euros. That's like 6,000 euros. Yeah.
Wow.
I like telling Quizzy like. I like
we just take all the
Oh, really?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah. And Kenji's art name required a lot of things, especially Zenji, who was the main guy behind Zen Buddhism in Japan. He was the guy who influenced quite a lot of Zen Buddhism into Japan because he went over to China for 20 years to study. He actually became something of a Zen master, as they called him. And he brought with him the teachings of the Zen Buddhists. And also he brought something with him that he also could be like gambling. Yeah.
That would be so mean.
Come on, Leah. Lexi, come on.
No, I think they're just doing that dress up like a geisha thing. I want to do it.
You want to get dressed up?
I think that'd be cool.
standing for around 400 years. So it's still very old pagoda. But anyway, wooden pagodas also, the cool thing with them is that being built so early and also being built without nails keeping it together, it's a big jigsaw puzzle you could call it, and it just keeps itself together, very strong. I've seen this also during earthquakes, and they are quite sturdy. They just go wobble a little bit and then go back in place again. Very strong buildings. And for architecture like this back in the 6th century, it's just amazing.
It's cherry blossoms, rows of them. There's people dressed up as in the kimonos down there. You can dress up in a kimono. It's a thing here. If I had time, I'd do it. But not to have enough time though today.
Hold my hand. You do it. Hold my hand.
All these beautiful cherry blossoms. This park is just absolutely full of them. Look at them. Yeah, you put some beauty water on your face. Makes you beautiful.
Eye like this. You make it look pretty. Like the beauty water. There's a special pretty beauty water. You put it on. It says makes you beautiful. Try it. Just put it in your finger.
I like beautiful though.
Come on.
Yeah, do it, Laura. We all did it. You do it. Beautiful now.
Yeah, record me.
Mum's getting some beauty wash. She doesn't need it.
Look, there's koi fish. Look how big these koi fish are. Look at that one. Look at that orange one in there.
I
Just
know.
swimming around.
Look at that starfish. Can you see that yellow starfish? I think the
So
orange,
big.
the orange one is going to pass it. See?
Yes. Come on, boys.
Hi guys.
We're going to find a Starbucks. There's a Starbucks hidden along here, which we're going to find. Oh, here it is. Did you find it? Okay. From the tour to find the hidden Starbucks that we walked past to get a hot chocolate and a coffee. Yeah, find it. Go in. Where are we? We're in Starbucks.
Yeah, I've got a hot chocolate, everybody. My turn. Don't get Gilly. Get it, Gilly?
So April decided to dress up in a kimono.
Look at my bow. Pick up my bow. Check out my bow.
I think you like this kimono.
You like my colours? Alexi chose my colours.
Good job, boys.
It's very colourful here. Look at them all. Very, very colourful.
Yeah.
I thought my mum would get a kick out of this.
My God. So beautiful. That's mama.
This is quite fun, actually. Have you seen my feet? How delicate they look, my big feet.
Mum's pretty feet.
Look, are you?